Beep beep. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get you. Oh.
Our house.
Well, welcome to today's video. This is in the future. I'm editing currently in the room, but got my girl out here. Got the Tigo. She's just chilling, making a mess, knocking down blinds and shoes and being crazy girl. Anyway, so this video, I ended up doing an edit. I think I don't know what came first, the idea of the edit or the idea of putting it on a shirt. It was definitely pretty close, but it ended up working out pretty good. The shirt's gonna be here any day now, so that'll be the next video, so that's something to look forward to.
Oh yeah, it should be here soon.
Yeah, it might be here right now actually, but she's hanging out. But yeah, I just wanted to make a little makeshift intro, and I'm also gonna make a outro here in a second, so I don't know, vlogs all over the place, but it'll make sense to you guys. But yeah, I'm wearing currently the last thing that I made of this channel, or the brand or whatever, and I kind of want to still incorporate it, so stay tuned for something like this. It might look a little different, it might be something on the back, I don't know, but yeah. So basically I ended up going through a guy on Instagram, like I talk about later and I'll show you, and ended up making it a little, adding a twist to it, and yeah, put it on a shirt. So hope you guys enjoy. Just wanted to make sure to make an intro, like a proper intro, because I really like the intro that I originally made, and to let me know anything in the comments. Honestly, that's something that I think is super important, and obviously like, comment, subscribe. But also another thing, if you do want to be reminded about my videos, to actually hit the bell, because that seems to help people in the past. So anyways, I'll get on with the next part. See you guys then. Had this idea, this guy randomly added me on Instagram. He does these photo edits, and I waited a little while longer than, shout out to him though, you know, he still came through, and that's all I was ever looking for anyway. So, and he killed it. I mean, the vibe is there, you know. So there's this photo, right? He does these edits. Here is his you want to check out some more of the edits he does? Here he is. Okay, honey, you're good. If you guys are interested, here he is. We'll give him a follow, check them out. Total vibe, you know. I saw he does multiple cars too, and yeah, pretty happy with the way mine turned out. Here she's doing some project, some leather project over there. Got some goldfish. What? You didn't want to be exposed? Well, it was like a full body. Now that's just like a glimpse. You're being cute over there. So anyways, so what I did was, dang, it looks like an album cover. We got the Live Your Vision album. Should I come out with an EP? Should I do some rapping? Naya, what do you think?
No.
Oh wow. Anyways, maybe one day. I think I would need an actual like producer or song, and then it'd be out.
I should be the one that comes out.
I would be like a real YouTuber rapper. What do you guys think? But this isn't a rap vlog, this is a clothing vlog. Unfortunately, I'm not wearing LYV merch right now, but I guess this is just or clothing. I want to be clothing, but I wanted to start off with as a merch, you know, and it truly evolve the way it's supposed to, you know. People are like, it's got to be perfect. And just like with this vlog, it's people are like, oh, it's got to be perfect, you got to have the right camera and all this and that. And while those things are important, you just kind of got to do it, right? Like this guy added me. I could probably went to somebody else through it and stuff, but I was really happy the way that I just like pulled this out of my ass, basically. I don't know how else to say it, but like it looks like a real album cover, and like it is kind of hard to see the Live Your Vision, and that's so important to me, is like it being legible or whatever. But if you go through here, this is like the coolest version of and I kind of did my own version of this font. I like skewed it or whatever, but you know, there's only so much you can do to like there it is, white, you know, and yeah, you can kind of read it a little better, but not really. I don't know. And she said it looked like old rock or whatever, which nothing wrong with that. Dad rock. Now I'm trying to figure out which one I had. Was it this super slant? I think that was mine. I don't know if it's super slanted like that. I honestly, this was mine because I did a in-between slant. Like, I was so focused on it not showing too much, you know, because it gets washed out and you can't read it as much. Like those, you know, I loved what he did where it was like all these brightnesses right here, you know. She's trying so hard to see and I'm like blocking her. So these are, he actually like put them on the wheels. I actually looked at this photo and I'm like, it's pretty cool. I love it, you know. So I don't know. Let me know if down in the description or in the comments if you guys like this, you know, if you think this is cool, this is a vibe, you know. But basically, the reason I'm making this shirt is for these two cars. You know, I don't have the E36 anymore. And the E30 is a different story, you know. And if you haven't watched it, I no longer have it. And hopefully by the time
Is your sandwich good?
I think I have. Yeah. This video will be after, so we're alright. I'm gonna shut this off because that's weird. So yeah, if you haven't watched that, I did sell the E30. So both of these cars no longer are in my possession, and so I want to get another car. And the it's kind of hard to get E36s. When I was in high school, they were. So if you guys don't know much about cars, I guess these were my cars. These cars were. Both these cars were so cheap, and now the market for them has just gone through the roof. You know, I tripled what I paid for this car. You know, unfortunately, this car just got towed out of my possession, but better, bigger things coming. You know, I want a coupe. 4-door maybe, if the right circumstances. I would like another convertible one day, just because I love them. But I gotta drift, and you have to have a cage for a convertible to drift. But again, it's not a car vlog, so next I'm just gonna mock it up on a somewhere where I can put it on a shirt, and I'm gonna purchase the shirt today. So hope you guys are excited for that, and I hope you guys are wanting this shirt, because this is the shirt that, like, you buy these clothes, like, it's gonna go right back into this channel, basically. So I'm going to either go into more shirts, or hopefully by the time, like, you know, I want to make like a couple shirts that will just last, you know, that I will keep around forever, you know. I'm not much of a drop person, and like the idea of that, and like limited editions, you know, like if you want a shirt, you can have a shirt, you know. Like I'm gonna have like an option to get a $20 shirt and then maybe a $50 shirt, but it's printed on the back, it's printed on the front, and something I would wear, you know. Like the tag might even be embroidered with a tag into the inside or something. Like it's like full out, it might have embroidery all over it, you know. So I just want that option for people. Like if you want a quick shirt, you can get a quick shirt. While this one is kind of crazy, I do want to make a nice simple logo shirt that people can just wear. This isn't necessarily it, but like this one is in honor of these two cars, and you know, you can totally see them. You can't really see the front of the 30 a whole lot, but that's okay. And it's just a vibe. So like I said, next clip will be me putting it on a shirt. I'm just going to put it on one of these like make your own shirts type thing, and purchasing like that, just so I can have a shirt maybe whenever it gets designed, you know. It's just a nice square I can upload as a JPEG and go from there. So stay tuned for the next clip. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I was a lot of talking, but I guess you guys can see kind of what I did. Oh yeah, and also like that's a whole parental advisory if you guys didn't see already. Like it's a PNG file, so you can kind of still see through it. I don't know, kind of came through, honestly. I like, it's a vibe for sure. You know, when you're sitting there, I was just telling her, and you're sitting there I don't know, you ever play a video game or something and you're like creating your whole life and avatar. Whoa, you're climbing on those wheels, huh? You are sketchy. Anyways, and then you're just sitting there like, I don't even know what's right anymore, you know? Like, is this cool or not? But that's kind of what happened with this. But luckily, I caught it before I was too into it, and I was like, nah, this is cool. And having it up top, and it's at the right angle. I'm like looking at it right now, and it's good. I think it's perfect where it is, and it's a square. Literally, if I ever wanted to put this on a CD or something, a CD, I don't know. CDs are cool to me. I'm all about the 90s and stuff. So enough talking. See you in the next clip. Hopefully, it'll be on a shirt. I'm just gonna buy it on the next clip and stuff. So. Exposed. What you got there? Oh, it's gonna die. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to include a little clip. Again, here's this shirt and a little clip of basically. I put it on Teespring, but apparently they don't like it. It was just something, I don't know. I don't want to get into too much, but just so you guys can kind of visually, digitally see it on a t-shirt.
Oh, Ryan's coming in.
I don't think
about to leave.
Quite. She's all stop it. I don't think you want to say hi. You like to be on the vlog, huh? Hi. Oh, she's saying hi. Yeah, it's not quite the same as actually seeing it in person, on a person. So, I don't know. We got cats and babies, and this is just a crazy vlog. I really enjoy doing this, and I want to be doing more videos more frequently. So I don't like to have more than 4 days in between. I honestly would like to eventually get to every other day. I just want to have, you know, a certain quality of content. So, and definitely shirts and stuff is what this channel is going to be seeing more of. And like I said, I guess I am kind of lacking because when in doubt, I could do a tattoo. I could come up with something. I have a long list of vlogs, but this is something long time coming. I do want to make another shirt. And yeah, I'm sure the next vlog is going to be me wearing the shirt. So, I don't know. Do you want to hold this? I always think it's better when somebody else holds the camera. I'm just putting you on. Oh, look at her go. So yeah, see, look up. Do not drop it. She's like holding like this, like at the hot plate. Yeah, I don't know. This is a large. I ordered an extra large. Don't know. She's just taking off. We'll see you guys later. Battery's blinking red. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you watch this vlog. What are you doing and you're not subscribed? That's just weird. Bye.